Hey, welcome to Smittys Classics. It's a fine day here at the shop. If you notice, we're not in our normal location. This is a private facility that my brother and I set aside to kind of work on some new ideas for the upcoming future, starting with the Scott's Hot Rod chassis. One thing we've been talking about moving into, we're doing full chassis builds instead of just doing componentry additions on these hot rods. So we've teamed with our partners over at Scott's Hot Rods, got this chassis for this 1963 Ford truck behind us, and man, they've really set us up. We got a chassis, we're kind of looking at what we're going to do with it. Ride-Tech suspension componentry, Willwood disc brakes, slotted rotors, lighter frame suspension, stainless steel brake lines, A&N fittings, custom mounted for the 600 plus horsepower 460 going in that unibody truck behind us. That's going to be a trip. Made it with a Ford automatic overdrive transmission, all the way back to Ford 9-inch nozzle built rear end with 411 gears in it, 4-bar suspension on it. The things you can do with Scott's Hot Rods are endless when it comes to custom build, and we're kind of looking at what we have out there. The way they do the torsion bar setup is amazing. It's more of a, most cars have just regular sway bars on it. They do a torsion bar sway bar setup. What's cool about that is whenever the chassis moves, the wheels stay flat on the ground. You don't have weight going to one side of the torsion bar or the other. They do that on the front and back. I'm really excited to be working on this car. This is going to be pretty awesome to put together. All everything's going to the 63 Ford truck, which is pretty unique to us here at the shop. So we're kind of excited about that. We've had 3 of these 63 unibodies in the past, and we decided not to let this one go when we're going to build the truck he wants. So stay tuned for anything coming up. We're going to have some great ideas, some new things on this, going over the motor, going over the transmission, going over the wiring. We have a long ways to go, but we see light at the end of the tunnel. Man, if you have any questions or ideas, give us a call here at Smittys Classics, 405-697-3620. And if you're lucky, you might get a chance to see what's going on at the private facility down here. Take care. Talk to you later.